For today's video, I will be showing you how to make this simple star. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. So today I will be using this H 5mm crochet hook and just some 4-weight cotton yarn. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we are going to start with a magic loop and a chain of 2. This will not count as a stitch. Go ahead and put 14 half double crochets into the loop. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So do this 14 times into your ring and meet me back here. Okay, now that you have your 14 half double crochets, go ahead and pull that ring tight and close it up. We will then, into the first half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch. So just pull through and pull through. Into the next stitch, we will make a slip stitch, and this is where we will begin our first star. So we are going to chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will come loose. If you go ahead and tie a knot, it will not come apart. So if you go ahead and tie that, it will not come apart. So not into the first loop, but into the second loop from the hook right here. Insert your hook and go ahead and make a single crochet. Yarn over, and into the next 2 loops, 2 chains, we are going to make a half double crochet. So there's 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, we are going to make another half double crochet. Now, not working back into that same stitch, we're going to skip the stitch that we're in. We're going to skip the next stitch, and into the second stitch from the hook is where we are going to make a slip stitch to close off our first point. So now we want to go ahead to make the next one. So we're going to slip stitch one more time into the next stitch like that. Now we're going to chain up 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not into that first stitch. Into the second stitch, we are going to make a single crochet. And then into the next 2 chains, we will make 1 half double crochet into each of those stitches. So now, skipping where we came from, we are going to skip the next stitch, and into the following we will make a slip stitch. There is our second point. So we're going to continue that again. So we want to slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 4, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the first stitch, and into the second stitch we are going to make a single crochet, and then into the next 2 stitches we are going to make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. Skip the next stitch, make a slip stitch, slip stitch one more time. Okay. Now we are on to the 4th, so chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the first, make a single crochet, and then into the next 2, make 2 more, 1 half double crochet, here's the other half double crochet. So skip this stitch, and into the following, we're going to slip. And now we want to make the final one. So we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, chain up 4. This is going to be for our last point. As you see, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to make 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains. As we've been doing, we're going to do the single crochet, half double crochet once, half double crochet into the next chain, just like that. Okay, now skip this stitch, and into this last stitch we are going to go ahead and make a slip stitch, and I like to slip stitch into the very next one, chain up 1, and we are going to go ahead and cut our work. Okay, so once you have cut your yarn, you just want to simply pull that through. Now I like to put this one off to the side, and there you have it, you guys. And like I said, if you go ahead and tie this in the back, it's not going to come open, and then you just want to go ahead and weave in your ends. And that is how you make this super easy, simple star. Please leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys.